Here we're going to look at question 80 from the IMAT 2012 paper. So in this question we're told we have a man of mass 75 kilograms who lies on 10,000 nails, where we're told that each nail has an area of 1 millimetre squared. So what the question asks us to do is to find the pressure on the man from this bed of nails. So if you'd like to have a go at this question yourself, then please pause the video now, otherwise we'll have a go at doing it together. Okay, so to try and answer this question, we need to think first of all about what pressure actually is. Now there is an equation for pressure which is fairly simple, and it's just given by the fact that pressure is equal to the force on an object divided by the area of the object. So in this case, the pressure on the man is going to be given by the force on the man from the nails divided by the total area of these nails. So we just need to work out what this total area is and what the force is going to be. Now we can first think about the force, because if we have a man just lying on some nails, then the force is just going to be due to his weight. So this man lying on the bed of nails is just going to have the force of gravity pulling him into the nails, and this is going to be the only force. So we just need to find his weight and divide it by the total area. Now to try and find this, then of course we can just say that weight is just mass times by gravity, and the total area is just going to be given by this 10,000 nails, the number of nails, multiplied by the area of each nail. So, of course, then we can just go ahead and substitute in the value of mass, 75 kilograms, and this value of G, 10 newtons per kilogram, or 10 meters per second squared, whichever you prefer. And then, of course, we can substitute in this area of each nail, which is 1 millimeter squared, which is the same thing as 1 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. So, it's worth noting here, of course, that we've converted to meters because it's best to always use SI units, or standard units. And it is handy to know some conversions, so it's good knowing that 1 millimetre squared is just 1 times 10 to the minus 6 metres squared. And one of the easy ways of remembering this is that millimetres is just 10 to the minus 3, so millimetre squared is 10 to the minus 6. You square the power, or you square the 10 to the power, which of course just means you multiply the power by 2. Anyway, with that we can just go ahead and try and simplify this expression to find a final answer. We can see that the powers of 10s are all going to eventually cancel out to give us this 75 times 10 to the power of 3, which we can write in standard form as 7.5 times 10 to the 4 pascals. So this is going to be our final answer and just corresponds to B given in the question.